Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week and a half ahead, and it looks like a rather active period of weather on the way here as we head out of March into the month of April, especially towards the end of next week. And of course, it all begins with a possibility for some strong to severe thunderstorms tomorrow. Here's the latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center, showing you basically a marginal to slight risk over the Arklatex. That means that severe weather will be somewhat isolated in nature over the south, and the rest of the region, for the most part, looking at more scattered potential reports of severe weather. You can see the more active severe weather will occur over most of Arkansas, especially up towards the Memphis area is where we could see the strongest of the tornadoes and more widespread severe weather issues. So let's get into it with a look at, first of all, Robin's started a FUTURECAST. You can see that as we move through the nighttime hours tonight, a few areas of rain will be a possibility. Maybe a rumble of thunder, but no severe weather concerns for tonight. Tomorrow we'll begin to see a line of thunderstorms develop very late in the morning. That activity will begin to move across the Arklatex during the afternoon. Snapshot 2 o'clock shows that line extending from Texarkana down to about Tyler. It arrives in Shreveport between 4 and 6 p.m. and then continues to move to the east and out of the Arklatex during the evening hours. You can see how quickly we will clear out tomorrow night. Now, other high-res models may be an hour or two slower, so keep that in mind. We could see it as late as 4 o'clock in Texarkana and as late as 7 o'clock in Shreveport as far as the potential timing of these thunderstorms. Again, we'll have all the severe weather threats possible. Damaging wind probably going to end up being the biggest concern. There is going to be the possibility for a tornado or two. Here's the latest from that potential from FUTURECAST. You can see we're on the low end of the scale here, meaning that the risk of seeing that strong tornado is relatively low. As I zoom this out, you can see more stronger, if you will, potential for rotation, stronger rotation up towards Memphis in that moderate risk area. So again, a tornado possible in the Arklatex, but the more widespread and stronger tornadoes probably will be to our north and east. Rainfall potential. Looks like here for the next couple of days, we'll see spots that pick up a half an inch to an inch, some spots that maybe pick up less than a quarter of an inch, and some spots that pick up over an inch. Right now, FUTURECAST kind of pointing towards the northern edge of the Arklatex is where that may have the best chance of happening. Now, that is just the beginning. We'll take a pause in the rainfall for Saturday with lots of sunshine, and then as we go into Sunday, we'll see another chance for some rain. So let's take a look at the longer range version of FUTURECAST. You can see the clouds beginning to increase during the day Sunday. Models have kind of slowed things down a bit, so it looks like most of the rain will hold off until Sunday night. As you can see here, when we could see again some heavy rain in spots, that will quickly end, and then Monday we'll see a partly to mostly cloudy sky across the region and mainly dry conditions. Rainfall chances looking rather low for Monday and Tuesday. Now, longer range, a look at the weather pattern shows that once we get into Wednesday, we will see the possibility for a rather lengthy period of on and off rain across the region. You can see potential for that rain, as I mentioned, for Sunday. Here comes the next shot as we look ahead to Wednesday. And starting Wednesday, again, we will see some thunderstorms. Severe weather could be on the table for that particular time frame. More rain Thursday, more rain Friday, more rain Saturday, and more rain Sunday of next week as well. And if you add the rain from tomorrow to Sunday to what's expected during the last half of next week, some rather impressive rainfall totals are on the board here. Here's a look at the outlook according to a blend of the different long-range models. This is several different models blended together, and you can see we could see well more than a month's worth of rain in the next 10 days, over 7 inches possible in spots, generally speaking 5 to 7 inches, a decent possibility the way it looks right now across pretty much all of the Arklatex, with the heaviest totals over northwest Louisiana, potentially around Shreveport. Now, keep in mind, a lot of this rain is happening towards the end of the 10-day period, so we likely will see some modification in these numbers here moving forward. So again, lots to talk about here, so let's take a look at the forecast for tonight. We are going to be looking at conditions that will become cloudy. Chance for some showers across the area, as temperatures will not be as cool, as we'll be in the mid to upper 60s over most of the area. 64 degrees tonight for the low in Texarkana, 68 degrees in Shreveport. Tomorrow, expect thunderstorms to become likely, mainly during the afternoon. Severe weather will be possible, as we'll see highs ranging from the mid to upper 70s across the north to the low to middle 80s across the southern half of the Arklatex. That includes 86 for the high in Natchitoches, 83 in Shreveport, 77 in Texarkana, and 81 degrees for the daytime high tomorrow in Marshall. Again, sunshine, enjoy Saturday, because after that, we'll be hard-pressed to see much, as we'll see a high Saturday right around 80, upper 70s with a chance for that shower thunderstorm late Sunday, good chance for some thunderstorms Sunday night, and then off and on rain Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday of next week. Again, that rain could be heavy at times, as highs will mainly be in the 70s. So again, get ready for the potential for some strong thunderstorms across the Arklatex, with the peak of the activity expected Friday afternoon into Friday evening.